Obviously, we took it to a magnitude that was that high-end, urban chic look that they feel could be on the front cover of a fashion magazine.
We are the only design company, salon design company, endorsed by the professional product division of L'Oreal. It's based really on two things. One, of course, we design beautiful salons. That's a given. But most importantly, we've designed financially successful salons. We really try to pull out from you what your vision, what your style, what your particular point of view is. So a client walks into your space and they know who you are.
Has those incredible aha moments as they walk into a room of like, oh my God, this is such an unexpected piece of artwork or an unexpected wallpaper. I really like to look at a space and think, how can we make this an oh my God, over the top dramatic experience?
I work closely with the client to figure out details of each element. Given my 20 years of experience in design and construction, I work with our clients to ask the critical questions that are needed to flesh out the design and to make it come alive. It can be anything from how the stylist works at their workstation to how the client would like their color lab to function. These are just a few of the many details that get worked out in the process.
Which is really interesting to me because to a designer, that's an opportunity to have an unusual space.
It was spectacular. It just became this piece of artwork, and I wanted to create something like that.
A temple to retail, and it's on the front page of Salon today. The bathrooms are just so luxurious and so Instagrammable. Next to that was the shampooing area, and that was created as a quiet, low-ceiling room with a wood ceiling on the top, and it wrapped up and over and down, and a beautiful Max Wanger surfer photograph on the wall of California.
There's this mix of precision and artistry.
It makes all the sense in the world, and the colorists take pride in it. I firmly believe that it's the pride they take in themselves, the gift that we've given our technicians by opening the color lab. The whole renovation process is fun. You have a choice. We've actually seen a trend between 17 and 20% increase after we've renovated the retail area.